Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Alt.Town token on Binance Alpha. So Alt.Town just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. And also I will a little bit talking about the projects, and also I will give you price prediction. So yeah. So first you can go to your Binance apps and then go to your search box in the top here, and then you can search Town and then search it, and you will find Town without the S. In here you can on Alpha, this one you can click it. Then this is the chart, guys. So yeah, and if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. So you will see the 24-hour high and low, and also the total supply and the volume also. So the volume is not really good, it's a little bit, relatively low. And yeah, let's see the website. So this is the website, virtual celebrity value growth platform. So so it's interesting, it's about virtual celebrities. Okay, so as you can see, virtual celebrities such as VTubers, virtual influencers, and virtual idols who join Alt.Town issue a digital asset called DNA, which tokenize their value. Okay, so if you are a VTuber or virtual influencer, you can join to Alt.Town and you can issue a digital asset, and you can sell the digital asset to your fans. So see who is the hottest virtual celebrity in the world. So you can see, okay, trade the value of global virtual celebrities. So your digital asset is tradable, so you can make money from it. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, so let's back to the page and let's see the X account, Alt.Town. Okay, cool. Okay, the followers, it's not high, but yeah, it's it's not really bad. Okay, so go back to the page. So as you can see, there is 2 billion total supply. So in this price, I don't know, maybe in the few days it will go down, and maybe after a few weeks it go higher, maybe like triple. I hope so. So yeah, I think it can reach 0.03 or 5, maybe. Yeah, $0.05. So yeah, so if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit order. You can put your price here like this, and the amount. Then you can also use instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to Town. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.